Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make leche flan at home using an easy method. First, let's create that beautiful caramel base. Combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water in a pan. Cook this over medium heat until it transforms into a rich, amber color. Remember, no stirring. Once ready, carefully pour the hot caramel into your anura or baking dish, swirling to coat the bottom evenly. Next, we'll prepare the creamy custard. You'll need 10 egg yolks. Separate them carefully from the whites. Gently whisk these yolks to avoid incorporating too much air, which can create an uneven texture. Then, add 1 can of condensed milk and 1 can of evaporated milk to the yolks. Mix these ingredients until they are just combined, ensuring a smooth and luxurious custard mixture. Now it's time to steam our flan to perfection. First, strain your custard mixture through a fine mesh sieve directly into the anura with the caramel. This step ensures a silky smooth texture. Cover the anura tightly with aluminum foil to prevent any water from getting in. Steam the flan for approximately 30 to 45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. The final steps are all about chilling and serving your delicious leche flan. Once steamed, let it cool completely at room temperature. Then, refrigerate the flan for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This chilling time allows it to firm up beautifully. When ready to serve, run a knife around the edges, then invert it onto a serving plate to reveal that gorgeous golden caramel. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.